In this video, I will show you how to use Moonlight effect on your photos. Let's start without further talking. First, go to the basic section, then reduce the temp to -42. Increase tint to +21. Reduce shadows to -12. Increase white to +51. Reduce black to -9. Then increase the clarity to +40. Increase the edge to +23 and then click on the retail section. Increase the sharpening amount to 39. Increase masking to 51. Then click on the effect section. From post-crop vignetting, reduce the amount to -14. Okay, done. Now look your photo. Your photo is now look like Moonlight. Thanks for watching the video.